equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The Thermomix TM31 plate can sometimes fail to heat properly or may not respond at all. This issue often arises from a faulty heating element or a damaged connection. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further complications and potentially render your device unusable. To carry out this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a multimeter for testing, and some replacement parts specific to the heating element. Begin by ensuring the device is unplugged. Carefully use a screwdriver to remove the screws on the base of the Thermomix TM31. Once the screws are out, gently lift the top cover, being cautious not to damage any cables connected to the control panel. The heating element is typically located near the base of the device. You can identify it by its distinct wiring and shape. Disconnect the cables attached to the heating element, taking note of their positions for reassembly. Remove the screws securing the heating element in place and lift it out. Replace it with a new component, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the cables, making sure they are secure and in the correct positions. As you reassemble the device, be careful not to pinch any wires or damage nearby components. Once everything is back in place, plug in the device and test it to ensure it operates correctly. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure that you regularly clean the heating element and avoid exposing the device to excessive moisture. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.